Good day sa lahat, parents and students. We would like to thank the Department of Education sa pagbibigay sa atin ng module nito. As today, gagamitin natin yung module na binigay nila with the lesson about the divisibility of 4, divisibility of 8, and then by 11, and then by 12. So, start muna tayo sa divisible by 4. So, kailan ba nagiging divisible by 4 ang isang number? So, according to the definition, so for a number to become divisible by 4, tingnan natin yung kanyang last 2 digits. And sabi, the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. And at the same time, pwede rin natin siyang sabihin na divisible by 4 kung ang kanyang ending ay 2 0. So, as an example, binigyan tayo ng number which is 592. So, let's try to find out if the number 592 is divisible by 4. So, tandaan ha, kailangan daw ang last 2 digits ay divisible by 4. So, just an example, 592. So, kunin lang natin yung last 2 digit, which is the number 92. So, kailangan, if we're going to divide that, 92 divided by 4, that should be equal, or ibig sabihin, wala tayo magiging remainder. So, let's try to divide. 9 divided by 4, 2. 2 times 4, we have 8. Subtract 1, and then bring down 2. So, 12 divided by 4, we have 3. And then, 3 times 4, 12. Pag sinubtract natin yan, wala siyang remainder. The answer is exact. So, ibig sabihin, the number 592, this is divisible by 4. Okay? So, let's try a different number. Ang sabi pa kanina, sabi daw is yung the ending numbers are 2 zeros. So, halimbawa, we see a number which is, kahit gano'n kalaki yan, let's say, 4,200. Okay? Nakita natin na 2 zero yung kanyang dulo number. Automatic, this is divisible by 4. There is no need for us to divide the number anymore kasi automatic na yon kapag 2 zero siya, divisible by 4. Okay? Let's try a different example. Let's say our number is 864. Okay? So, kunin natin yung dalawang number which is 64. Let us divide that by 4. Tandaan, kapag walang remainder, the answer is divisible by 4. So, let's try. 6 divided by 4, we have 1. 1 times 4, we have 4. 6 minus 4, we have 2. And then bring down 4. 24 divided by 4, we have 6. 6 times 4, we have 24. So, exact pa din. We have an exact answer. Therefore, this number is divisible by 4. Okay, so let's try naman kung hindi naman siya divisible by 4. Okay. So let's say I have a number which is 1,255. Okay. Okay, ulitin natin. 1,255. Okay, the last 2 digits, 55. Kunin natin. 55 divided by 4. This is 1. This makes it 4. 5 minus 4, that's 1. Bring down 5. Yan o. As you can see, the answer is 3. And then 12 dito, meron tayong remainder 3. So, 13 remainder 3. Ibig sabihin, the original number is not divisible by 4. Okay? Hindi. Ibig sabihin, siya ay Mali. So, that makes it divisible by 4. So, yan yung kanyang roots. Let's try naman yung divisible by 8. Okay. Dito naman sa divisible by 8, kailangan natin gawin is hanapin din natin yung kanya namang last 3 digits. Okay? Tandaan natin na sa divisible by 4, ang sabi, last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So, ang kaibahan niya sa 8, sa divisible by 2, dalawa lang. Pero sa divisible by 3, kailangan 3. Okay? So, let's use the same example, 592. So, 592. So, syempre, para malaman natin kung siya ay divisible by 8, we have to divide. Lalo kung 3 numbers kasi kailangan daw yung 3 number. So, since yung 5 hindi pwede sa 8, kailangan natin siyang gamitin yung 59. So, 59 divided by 8 will give us 7. And then 7 times 8, we have 56. Subtract 9 minus 6, we have 3. 5 minus 5, 0. So, wala na yun. We don't need to write 0 anymore. And then, bring down natin yung 2. So, 32 divided by 8. So, we have 4. 4 times 8, we have 32. So, pag sinubtract natin, 0 pa rin. So, as you can see, the quotient is 74, which is equal, or exact. Wala siyang remainder. So, ibig sabihin, the number 592 is divisible by 8. Okay? So, yun yun. Well, let's try naman yung isa. Ang sabi din dito, kailangan daw yung, kung dito naman sa divisible by 4, kailangan daw ay 2 zeros ay divisible by 4. Dito naman, titignan natin yung ganun pa din, yung ending pa din, pero kailangan siya ay 3. Okay? So, dapat siya daw ay 3. 3 0. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng number na nagtatapos sa 3 0, yun daw ay divisible by 8. So, kahit gaano kalaki number, so let's say we have 5, 2, okay, so the number is 5,289,000. Diba? If we're going to divide that by 8, medyo mahaba kasi di-divide natin siya ng matagal, lahat ng numbers yan. Pero, because of the definition, yung rule, kailangan lang daw nating tingnan yung last 3. Okay? Ano ba yung last 3 digits niya? The last 3 digits are all 0. Nakita natin na puro siya 0. So, kapag ganun yung nangyari, hindi na natin siya kailangang i-divide. Automatic na, since siya ay may 3 0, automatic yan ay divisible by 8. Check yan. Okay? So, ganun kasimple. So, different example tayo. So, let's say hindi natin alam yung indivisible ba siya by 8. So, let's use, gamitin natin yung, let's say, 4 digits. So, 4,254. Okay. So, ang kailangan nating tingnan ay yung last 3 digits. 254. Ignore muna natin yung 4. Kunyari, wala siya. Kasi all we need to do is focus on the last 3 digits. So, the number is 4,254. Isipin nyo lang na kunyari siya ay 254. Okay. Kunin nyo yun. 254 divided by 8. So, here, 25 divided by 8, we have 3. This is 24. 14 divided by 8, that is 1. 1 times 8, have 8. So, 6. Meron siyang remainder na 6. Ibig sabihin, yung 4,254, hindi siya divisible by 8. Different example. Kunyari, we have 8,942. Okay. Again, hindi natin kailangan tingnan yung lahat ng number kasi we just need to focus on the last 3. So, we get that number, 942 divided by 8. So, we have here 1, and then 8, 14. We have here another 1, 8, 6, 62. Okay. So, yan ay 7, 56. Yan natin. Meron pa rin remainder na 6. So, 117 remainder 6. So, hindi pa din siya divisible by 8. Oh, ayan. Meron akong nakita. So, let's try that one. Subukan ko kunyari na instead of 8,942, gawin ko siya na 944. Okay? So, subukan natin. Divide natin siya. 944 divided by 8. We have here 1 and then 8 dito. 9 minus 8, we have 1. Bring down 4. 14 divided by 8. That gives us 1. 1 times 8. We have here 8 here. 14 minus 8. 6. Bring down 4. And then 64 divided by 8. That will give us 8. Then 64 dito. Exact 118. So yung number natin na 8,944, siya ay divisible by 8. Okay, so tama. So that gives us the divisibility rules of numbers 8. Okay. So punta tayo sa susunod. Ito medyo kailangan natin mag-isip dito. Next one is divisible by 11. Okay. The problem, hindi naman totally problem. The rule states as kailangan natin mag-sum. We have to add. Okay. Ano yung i-add natin? I-add natin yung digits in the adds place. And then, again, add uli ng digits in the even place. Okay? So, kailangan daw sila ay equal or ang difference nila ay multiple of 11. Okay? So, again, i-add natin yung number in the adds place and then yung sum naman ng even place. They should be equal and at the same time, kailangan din sila or wala din at the same time, kailangan sila din ay multiple of 11. So, try natin yung number na 592. Okay, so let's try. 592. Sabi daw, we have to know the odd numbers and the even numbers. Paano mo ba malalaman yung odd or even numbers? Okay, remember, yung odd numbers, ito ay yung mga number na 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Sa even naman, we have the 2, 4, 6, 8, and the 10. Okay? So, from the right, going to left tayo, pag ano naman natin. So, ito yung digit 1, ito yung digit 2, ito yung digit 3. Okay? So, hindi yan mga number ha. Yan ay yung kanilang digit place o yung kanilang parang sabihin natin na place value. Okay? So, ano-ano ba yung mga nasa add? Ang mga nasa add ay ang 2, at ang 5. Okay? Sabi, kailangan daw yung sum nila. So, let's add. So, 5 and then 2. Let's add 5 plus 2. That will give us 7. Okay? Yung even naman, siya yung 9. So, minus 9. Kasi sabi, kailangan daw yung difference. Tandaan natin, balikan natin yung example. Sabi, di ba? Yung sum ng digits in the odds place at yung sum ng digits in the even place, okay, they are supposed to be equal or the difference is a multiple of 11. So as you can see, the 592, so that is 5 plus 2 yung odd numbers natin. That will give us 7. And then yung even number natin, which is 9, we will have a difference of minus 2 or negative 2. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya, yung number natin na 592, okay, hindi siya divisible by 11. Okay? Kasi, tandaan, ang sabi, kailangan daw, equal daw, or, ang kanilang difference ay a multiple of 11. So, try natin. Okay? So, let's try a different number. Okay. So, let's say, the number is 220. Okay? So, yan yung number natin. So, ang gawin mo, hanapin mo yung odd numbers at yung even numbers. So, 1, 2. So, parang binibilang mo siya. 3. Binibilang mo yung number. So, ano-ano yung mga nasa odd? Ang nasa odd ay ang 1 at ang 3. Okay? So, sabi daw doon, i-add natin sila. So, ang number na nasa 1 ay 0. Ang number na nasa 3 ay 2. Add mo sila. You will have 2 minus yung number na nasa even or even place, which is the number 2. Ayun. So, since siya ay 2 lang, 2 minus 2, so, sila ay 0 or ang sabi, di ba, equal. So, dahil ang 2 ay equal din sa 2, so, ibig sabihin, the number 220 is divisible by 11. Okay? So, ganun ang divisibility rule ng 11. Okay? So, let's try. And last. Okay, again, let us try to thank the Department of Education kasi binigyan nila yung modules that we use in our lesson. So, punta tayo sa divisible by 12. Okay? Ito, medyo madali-dali siya. Bakit? Kasi, ang kailangan lang ulit natin ay, siya ay, sabi, sum of the digits of the number. Kailangan daw ay divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Magka-add lang tayo ng kanyang mga digits. So, let's use the same number, 592. So, 592. Sabi daw, kailangan na natin siyang i-add. 5. Hindi natin. Baka malito kayo. So, we have there 5 plus 9 plus 2. So, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 5, 16. Okay? So, 16 ang total ng kanyang digits. Ang sabi, for a number to become divisible by 12, kailangan siya daw ay divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Okay? Kailan ba nagiging divisible by 2? Nagiging divisible by 2 kung ang kanyang dulo ay 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Okay? So, kailangan ito daw yung kanyang ending. So, it ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. And for a number to become divisible by 3, kailangan yung sum of digits is divisible by 3 para maging divisible siya by 3. Kaya lang, kung titingnan natin yung ating example, ang huling digit niya ay 2. So, correct, divisible siya by 2. Okay? As you can see also, hindi pala dito. Okay? Hindi yan na. Ito pala. Ang kanyang sum, ang huling digit ay 6. So, still divisible by 2. Kaya lang, for it to become divisible by 3, ang sabi, ang kailangan sum niya, divisible by 3. Problema natin, ang sum niya ay 16. Ang 16 ay number na hindi divisible by 3. If we're going to also add that, 1 plus 6, 7. So, hindi pa rin siya divisible by 3. Ibig sabihin, yung number natin na 592, hindi siya divisible by 12. Divisible nga siya by 2, kaya lang, hindi naman siya divisible by 3. So, we cannot say that this number is not divisible by 12. Okay? So, yan yun. Let's try a different example. Okay? So, let's say na our number is 350. Let's say 57. Okay, let's try. So, add natin 3 plus 5 plus 7. The answer is 15. Okay, so ibig sabihin, hindi na siya divisible by 12. Why? Kasi, tingnan natin yung kanyang last digit. Ang last digit niya ay 5. So, mali. Hindi siya divisible by 2. Hindi na siya divisible by 12. Kung divisible by 3 naman, yes. Kasi 15. Kasi ang number na 15 ay divisible by 3. Kaya lang, sabi nga natin, it has to be both divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So, mali na. So, let us try a different number. So, let's say I have 430 39. Okay. 4 plus 3 plus 9. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 9, 16 pa din. Okay, divisible by 2. Kaya lang, hindi divisible by 3. So, hindi siya divisible by 12. Okay, kaya, let's try, ano ba? Ito na lang para madali. 240. Ayan. 240. So, add natin yung digits niya. 2 plus 4 plus 0 equals 6. Okay? So, siya ay 6. Yes, divisible by 2. At siya ay 6. Yes, still divisible by 3. Kung siya ay divisible by 2. And at the same time, divisible din by 3. Therefore, itong number na to is divisible by 12. Okay? So, tama. Divisible siya by 12. Okay. So, yan yung lesson natin. I hope na you understand. So, if ever na medyo makalimutan nyo, balikan nyo lang yung video. Okay? So, then you can also share this to your friends para mas maintindihan nila. Okay? So, until next time, bye-bye. Study hard, study well.